The GS Goa State Industry Association has also demanded for an inquiry in this land fraud development.
See, it is an ongoing investigation, and the opposition leader himself is saying that it is not politically motivated. So I feel there is no use commenting on it, because if the person who is accused feels there is no political motivation, it must be part of the process. That's all.
Now today the Congress has accused that the ACP is running on behalf of the
Congress.
government.
How can Congress say when the person himself does not say it? Congress has to say something, so they have said it.
On a large scale during the term of Shri Babu Kavlekar as the chairman of GIDC. Many of the genuine entrepreneurs could not get plots that they wanted, and these plots were irregularly flouting all rules and regulations, started getting allotted to shadow units. GSIA filed a criminal complaint in 2011, but despite continuous follow-through, it has not been converted into an FIR, citing that it was not a cognizable offense. The ACP raids last week for possessing disproportionate assets have vindicated our stance. Because Mr. Kavlekar, the only position that he enjoyed was as the chairman of GIDC, and it is only through that he could have amassed these disproportionate assets. Friends, while we would like to congratulate the government for the action, we also demand that the criminal complaint filed by GSIA is taken to its logical conclusion and acted upon so that those guilty are brought to book.